This place is so brand new. I'm gonna do something that I would never do in a hotel room. Lie on the floor.
Wow, that is so true.
I'm even lying down in the hallway. It smells like chemicals. Before the cleaning lady here sees me. Hello. What's up, y'all? It's your Master Lee.
And Lulu.
And today we're going to give you a grand room tour
Yes.
of the brand new Resort World Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. Can you believe it's been over 10 years since a major hotel has opened up on the Strip? It's a rare thing.
Wow.
We got to enjoy the grand opening. Well, actually, not really. We never got inside. We got stuck outside. You can watch a video on that. But today, we're back. And this is how we're able to have an inside look. We booked a room.
Yes, we
We did
did.
it smart. We booked it on a Monday where everyone has already left Vegas. And yeah, we're going to give you a nice tour of this brand spanking new room here. So one thing that is very confusing about this hotel is that there are actually 3 different hotels in this property. And you can think of them as low, middle, and high. And we booked it on the low end. Ah, you assume this room is 5-star. This is not a 5-star combination. This is barely 3.
You're saying that Hilton is low end?
Well, you know, in this hotel it is. The low end is a Hilton hotel. They have a mid-range one that is called the Conrad, and the high-end Lux one, Croxford, which I've never heard before. Clearly, I'm not rich enough for this. But the room for the low end is actually pretty affordable. On a Monday night, you get a room here for about $150, which is a king-size bed. You're still paying about $60 in fees, resort fees, this fee.
What the
Every
heck?
single type of fee they can, scrounge through your pocket. So total is about $210 for one night, which I would say is, you're not coming here for the best rate in town. You're coming here to be able to explore everything that this place has to offer.
It's the experience,
It is
John.
the whole experience, from the restaurants to casino floor, their spa, their pool. Oh my God, their pool is amazing.
Babe, no, their gym.
Oh, their gym. Oh, their gym is better. It's like the best gym I've ever seen. Even if you don't go work out, I would say just grab a beer, right? And just go watch TV there and enjoy the ambiance. But hey, let's get back to the room, okay? This is a $4 billion hotel. That's how much they spent to build this place. One of the
Holy
biggest
cow.
hotel constructions ever in the US. So there are 3,500 rooms here. One thing I'm not a fan of this hotel is this 5-digit room number. No one can remember 5 digits. 4 digits, I get. 5 digits makes it hard. But the way they did that is 51 equals the floor. So it's 51. The room number is actually 354. So they should just have it as 354. And you would think that, all right, for that amount of money, we should get a pretty fancy room. It is still a Hilton, even though you consider it on the low end. I would say the rooms are actually, about average in size. It's about 400 square feet. Doesn't feel big. It doesn't feel cramped. The good news is that you have wall-to-wall windows. And that makes a huge difference. The sun comes in, and depending on which side of the hotel you have, there's 2 sides. There's one side that faces the Strip, which is beautiful during the night and the lights come in. And then there's the ugly side, which we stayed at, which is about $10 cheaper. So I would say front the $10 extra, get the beautiful view. It's worth it, at least if nothing else, just for a, picture.
For the Instagram.
For the Instagram. Yeah, I mean, as you take a look around here, I wouldn't say anything about this looks luxurious. You can't knock the fact that everything is brand new.
Amen.
Everything is new. Everything smells new.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's so good. Still got that brand new smell going on. And AC, I smell AC. That's worth $200 in 110-degree heat.
I just love the accessories, the gold details.
The
of this
details are
room.
really nice, actually. It's very understated, but it's not the kind of, like you see a lot of hotels where they have gold trimmings, but it looks like gold trimmings from the 70s. Now, this is very contemporary. In fact, the whole hotel is like that. Like the whole casino has this very futuristic style to it, and they got hints of that in the room. So it's very nice, very understated with gold trimmings across everything. And it's still got that New room smell everywhere. Which is nice because, again, old hotels kind of have a slight, not so new smell
Funky.
to them. You get a standard assortment of goodies here. They all cost money though, so just be aware of that. And in the fridge, they got goodies too, and yeah, that all costs money too.
Don't get tempted.
Yeah, honestly, you're better off just going across the street. It's a quick little hike to the Walgreens and buying your water, buying your snacks. You definitely need water. I'm just telling you right now, you don't want to drink the faucet water from, although I guess with new pipes, maybe they're not so bad. I don't know. The one thing I was a little disappointed about, because I kept hearing about how they have all sorts of cool new tech gadgets powering the casino. Like, you don't even have to use cash anymore to gamble. You can use an app and just connect it, and they could just drain all your money directly from your bank account, right? And to check in, you have an app too, and you just put your phone up against the door. You can do everything electronically. But this room doesn't have Alexa, which perhaps I'm a little bit spoiled because we stayed at the Wynn, which is another really nice higher end hotel. And I would say their assortment of food is better. I would say their electronic gadgetry is better. There's a lot of things that seem just to be a little bit of a class better than Resort World. If you're going to be claiming that you are cutting edge for tech,
Right.
right? You like, give me the Alexa.
Hey Siri. Hey Google. They don't even have that. Alexa. Alexa. Hey Alexa.
Still sounds Filipino.
How do you say Alexa in English? I already have the accent of Alexa. Alex.
Not only just give me the Alexa that opens the blinds, right? Like just
Siri?
that, because I'm that lazy. That's what I want. But they do have, a really cool alarm clock here that has a digital settings. You can put your phone on and automatically charge. You don't have to like break out the cables, which is really nice. It's always a nightmare with hotels where you have to break out the cable, find a place to do it. All right, so let's check out the bathroom. Again, bathroom, I wouldn't say it's luxurious, but it is new. It's got gold trimming across everything.
Everything. I love it.
Even the shower head, the 2 shower heads. I would say that's actually a nice little upgrade. You don't have just one shower. You have one where you can take off and, get down into the dirty parts to clean. And you have the rainforest style drip above, which is really nice.
Yes.
It's not a big shower,
No.
but there is a bench in the back here, which is good. You sit down, shave your legs, clean the cooch, and you're good to go here.
Pretty decent. I really love it. Very simple.
Maybe it's just me, but when I like to stay in Vegas hotels, I do like having a tub where you can turn on the jet so you can just relax. Like, to me, that's a vacation. And I've stayed in other places like the MGM where they had a suite and they had that, and it's really nice. And yes, there is a safe. Spoke too soon. Especially, in Vegas, store all your electronics, your expensive stuff in here. Oh, the staff are really, really nice. Really, really nice people.
They're very friendly.
Everyone is very friendly, willing to help you out, even explain what's going on. Okay. Thanks.
Interesting, guys.
Hey,
Thank
thanks.
you.
No jadedness.
Yes. They always greet you.
Always greet you, always have a smile. And It's not
Yes.
like the fake smile, like I got to get back to work type of thing. It was generally like want to stop and smile, like, hey, how you doing? Oh, let me help you type of thing.
And that should be it because, hospitality, the name of hospitality. You have
That's
to smile
right.
all the time, no matter what hard your
That's
job is.
right. The best part of being a guest here, when it comes to the pool, there are 9 different pools, but the VIP pool, you have to reserve a day before. So the minute you get to the hotel, you say, I want to reserve a spot in the VIP, and then boom, you can go there. That's where they have an infinity pool. It's nice. It is like crowds can't get in, only for the guests.
Only for the guests.
That's right. And the other one is the gym. The gym is only for the guests as well. The only limit is you, Ludette. All right, y'all. Enjoy this room tour, and hope to see you all in Vegas. Peace out.
Bye.